Hello everyone, this is Mr. Tom, your favorite international space personality. Today we are going to work on two science experiments. In this first one, we are going to make some magic rocks. In the second experiment, we are going to make a volcano explode. Let's get started. I have opened the box, taken out all the supplies, laid them out nice and neatly. Notice the directions, which we will read and follow. Before you start, please read through these instructions from beginning to end. That is a great tip for anything you're working on, lest you get into the middle and discover you're missing something. After reading the instructions, I have discovered a few additional items that are needed. Tip: when writing directions, list at the beginning all the items that are needed for your experiment. Here is another item I want to point out before we get started. Notice the mention of time, 6 hours. Science often takes time. Be sure to plan your time as well.
Usually you just dump them, you just like a container just to mix them all. And then dump them into the container. There you go.
Check it out.
Ooh.
Now we are pre-mixing the chemicals before putting them into the volcano. Notice that we have splatter spots from the initial eruption.
Check it out.
So now we are experimenting with Yellowstone, Crater Lake, some other large cauldron.